thank you guys so much for watching my video today. This is a really simple and easy watermelon look. Like, this look doesn't take no time at all to do. It's just something that's simple and it's fun. I don't know where you would wear this to, but me, the first time I did this look, I wore it to school. And I wore it bold and proud, walking up and down my halls, going to class, going to lunch, looking super bomb and super cute. Like, who's gonna say something to me? But other than that, really don't have nothing to say. Thank y'all again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to try and get more consistent with my videos. And so be looking for the next one on Monday.